what's going on, everybody? So it's been a while since I made a video, and guess what just came in the mail? I've been waiting for this, and it's finally here. The Captain America backpack. It looks dope. Look at this. Dang, it looks nice. Check this out. We've got the Marvel logo right here, and then it's padded in the back. Flip it around. We got some pockets. Got a pocket over here, zipper, and this is where your laptop goes. It's like a soft material, like a fleece type material. Really, really nice. So let's dig in. It shows you all the features. It's got durability right there. Tech pocket, a fleece pocket. That's the one I was showing you guys earlier for your laptop. Utility straps, and then we've got a internal organization pocket. Let's open it up, and it comes undone like this. Bam! That's one of the utility straps. Then we've got another one. So let's open it, and this is the regular pocket. We got a pocket over here. We got this pocket. We got this zipper for more stuff. Then we've got this tiny little pocket for whatever you want. This is interesting. Oh wow. Okay, so it unclips like that. And you got that tiny little compartment right there. The bottom, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of like a durable type material. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty strong, so when you lay your bag on the floor or anywhere, it's not gonna rip or anything. We also have a pocket on the side. Very useful. It's like one of those clip ones. And I guess you can put your water bottle or like pencils or whatever you need. And then we've got this one is actually the water bottle one on the side. Woo! And obviously your laptop. This is how it looks. Let's put it on. Oh man, I'm pretty excited. Back to school. So that's how it looks. It's all open, but yeah, I'll be taking this to work, to wherever I have to go, every day type backpack. See you guys in my next video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing, unbagging review of my Captain America bag.